your boy Rich Eats, and we about to go get some food, people. Where we gonna go get it from? Lotus. Now Lotus is this seafood spot. One of my friends put me on out here in Houston. Said go try it out. Went there, I was mind blown. I said I gotta do a review on this spot. So that's what we about to go do, people. It's like a hibachi style stir fry type thing. Anyway, you'll see what I'm talking about, people. Y'all ready? Let's go get this. All right, people, so we made it here. The best seafood and wing spot in Texas. Let's go find out. All right, YouTube, and here we have it. Lotus. This is some of the best seafood you can find in Houston, Texas. Mark my words. I don't even gotta ask anybody from Houston if this is the top-notch spot in the comments, because I already know it is, but still, drop it in the comments. A fire if y'all know this spot is fire. If not, make sure you jump on board and try Lotus out. Seafood and wings, this shit is fire. I had it before. I said I gotta do a review on this next time. Plus, it's not a lot of times you get to see me do like shrimp fried rice or Japanese type food. So I said, here, let's do one today. Now let's get into this, people. Y'all ready? We're in for a treat. All right, people. Y'all see the plate? We got it all sauced up. Looking real jazzy right now. Anyway, people, let's get into this. Man, there's so much. I don't even know where to start. Start by spilling rice all over the counter. Mmm. This is fire, people. Now, one thing I forgot about them, what they do is they put little pieces of crawfish in it too. So it's like another level. And it's like every bite you get has a piece of meat in it, some type of seafood. This is the loud pack from Lotus. If you know, you know. You know they got that good corn when it's yellow like that. Of course, I got that good old crack sauce on there. Yes, people, it's called crack sauce. Just so you know how to order. Go get you a loud pack with extra crack sauce. You'll be winning. When I say busting, people, I mean busting. All right, of course, people have to go with the good old Modelo. Big bottle. And one thing I must say about this crack sauce, it do got a flair to it. A little bit of a spicy kick. Nothing too unbearable, but it's definitely some spice there. Now, if it's something you'll start eating, try to put up and just keep going back at it until it's all gone. Like, it's hard to save this. All right, people, so all in all, what's exactly in this, so it's quite a lot of stuff. I'm gonna give you a closer view of this. It's heavy too. So you got peas, corn, rice, crawfish, blended in with the rice, large shrimp, a potato, 3 corns. Now, why I got 3 corns? Most people's plates you would see when you go there and order a loud pack, it comes with 1 corn, a sausage, and an egg. I don't really like the sausage, and I'm not too big of a fan of the egg. You know, it's some, you know, the egg that they use to cook in this is fine. But, you know, I guess that's all shrimp fried rice has to have that egg in there. But anyway, yeah, you know, I'm just not a big fan of boiled eggs, so I said, let me substitute that and just give me corn, which I love so much. Like, corn is the greatest vegetable ever. I promise you that. All right, people, so far so good. I swear this is top notch. Like, I've been at a lot of hibachi places, hibachi spots, and this is right up there with them. Like, out here in Texas, there's a place called Shogun. Fire. And, you know, it's like a level on top of this spot, but this spot is right there. I'm not even a big rice fan, but the way they do it here, it's something else. Anyway, let's try this potato out. Now, that crack sauce on anything makes it taste delicious. So, yeah, people, this is fire. Let's keep going. We're gonna finish this, or I'm gonna see how much of this I can eat right now, and then give y'all a real rating on this spot. Yeah, people, we already know it's gonna be pretty high, just like me. All right, YouTube, I have to go warm it back up because it was getting a little cold. Mind you, it's like almost, this spot is probably like almost an hour from where I stay. Well worth it though, but I happen to be in the area too, so I said, why not? Anyway, people, let's get back to this. Of course, that good old crack sauce. Let me open it so y'all get a closer look at the greatness. All right, YouTube, so that was Lotus right there. Lotus Seafood and Wings in Houston. Fire. Like, I can't help it. This spot is one of the best seafood spots, or stir fry, whatever you want to call it, spots you can go to. So I highly recommend it. I mean, this crack sauce right here puts it on a whole nother level. Plus, everything they have is really fresh. Like, you can tell they shrimp is fresh. The corn, it's beautiful corn. Like, that's my favorite side dishes, the corn, then the red potato, and pretty much no complaints, people. Yeah, the rice is also amazing. It's like cooked to perfection. Like, I wish I knew how to make rice as good as these people do. Then I wouldn't have to pay like freaking almost $30 for a plate. Just make it at home, but you live and you learn. So I'm gonna try to look up some recipes just so I know how to do hibachi style, stir fry, or whatever, you know. So yeah, drop it in the comments if you guys got any, you know, good recommendations on people who do make stir fry, or any good cooks out there. I like this. You know, I just need a simple rice recipe. Yeah, not a lot of people know how to make rice, people. People who can't make eggs, so. Anyway, as far as this go though, people, amazing. I'm completely satisfied. You see how much is left. Like, literally, I didn't even put a dent in this. So you get your money's worth, you know? And it could last you, you know? Like, I'll have this for the rest of tonight until tomorrow, so. And trust me, it'll still be pretty fresh too, so yeah. But anyway, yeah, I'm very happy and pleased with this location. I highly recommend Lotus, people. And as far as my rating for this, all the way up there, people. Until I find something better, I'll give it a better score. I'll give somebody else a better score. But right now, Lotus, I'm hitting on with a 9.5, people. 9.5. It's amazing. But as always, people, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for your boy. It's not that hard to do, and it does go a long way. I'll keep the content coming, and we'll keep eating, people. So, till next time, deuces.